What's up?
We're reacting to BMW
M5.
RS6 and E63S. They're all tuned. They're all tuned. So let's see. I think I'll have my money on. I don't know if it's. Oh, it's just a competition. Either the M5 or the E63. That's what I'm putting my money on.
Put your money on one.
Wait, 750 horses, 810. Ah!
AMG.
Okay, yeah, maybe. I think it's
AMG.
lighter too.
Yeah.
I think it's lighter.
This is not a competition, M5 competition.
It is.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's quickest in a drag race between a tuned BMW M5 competition, a tuned Audi RS6 and a tuned Mercedes E63S? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to drag race them over the standing quarter mile. Because I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Car Wow. Buy, sell, Car Wow. In a 4.4 litre twin-turbo auto house, they sell high-end cars such as this. It's got a 4.4 litre twin-turbo V8. However, it's been tuned by Volvo Automotive. As a result, it now has 750 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. Drives all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs in at just under 1.9 tons. Let's find out about the Mercedes from its driver. It's racing driver Sam. Hello, racing driver Sam.
Hello.
Can you tell me about the car that you were driving today, please?
I am in a Mercedes E63. I have got 810 horsepower. It's been MSL tuned, which is basically an ECU remap. It's just under 2 tons, so it's a little bit heavy. 9-speed auto gearbox. Yeah, should be fun.
And how much torque is your 4-litre twin-turbo V8 putting out?
My 4-litre twin-turbo V8 is putting out 1,000 newton-meters of torque.
Do you see how I managed to just bring in the size of the engine, which you forgot to mention? Anyway, let's move to you, Yanni. Tell us about your car.
Sam never mentioned the bunny ears in the rear window. Why didn't he mention them, first of all?
Are they part of the tuning upgrade?
I think it's to go in his head. Anyway, RS6, 4-litre twin-turbo V8, 750 horsepower, 1,000 newton-meters. It's got that wrench sauce, I've been told, so this should be quick. All-wheel drive, 8-speed, 2.1 tons, and it's around 93,000 pounds.
Let's see what happens in the drag race. Before we do, we're going to do the sound check. I'm going to rev up this BMW. Now, I've got a soft limiter at 5,000 RPM, but this still sounds pretty epic. How about you, Yanni? Let's have a listen to your car.
Fucking Audi and soft limiters.
It revs all the way round, but I don't know, it just sounds all engine.
And your Mercedes, Samuel?
I like the Audi
It's
sound better.
got that silly soft limiter. It's nice on the overrip though. It kind of pops and bangs.
Yeah. I think this one sounds the best.
I concur.
I disagree just for the sake of it.
Mate, you got a matte blue car, mate, with bunny ears. Like, you can't even talk. And red calipers.
Yeah, but when this wins your matte black Batmobile, you're going to feel a bit stupid, aren't you?
The
It's
RS6
gloss
looks
black,
the
mate.
best, I would
So
say.
get some glasses.
The R6.
Well, it looks best.
What are those two going on about? Anyway, if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to race.
3, 2, 1.
And the beer just flew off the line.
Jesus, man. Never wore glasses for this.
Bad start. I did not see the Benz going last. I thought I was the second.
This thing just pushed through its brakes on launch control.
Yeah, you definitely jumped, but this wasn't great on launch, man, at all.
Yeah, I couldn't hold it. I was foot on the floor, on the brake, and it was just pushing through it. Anything from you, Sam?
Yeah, this launched well, but it felt bad because yours jumped. Well, I know now that you said it's pushed through on the brakes, it's not your fault.
Matt, not to sound patronising, but try and put the pedal through the floor.
There's always another inch.
I wish I had another inch. I don't think I got it though.
3, 2, 1.
He already jumped.
Focus, bro. Oh, the Mercedes was
Better.
left behind you.
That's embarrassing so much.
Yes, this is bloody quick. Not gonna lie, this car is quick. That really up my leg, but I won.
Yeah, I was pleased with that launch. Just doesn't seem to have enough sauce to
quick
catch
off the
you,
mark.
mate.
And Sam?
Can we get a judge's decision on jumping there, please? Because I didn't even see you, Matt, but Yanni seemed a bit
Yeah, he jumped. I saw that.
enthusiastic.
Stewards, can you do some stewarding, please?
We've just had a look and it was fine. The start was good. Oh, there you go.
Yanni, you came second,
I'm pretty
mate.
sure he jumped.
Yeah,
I saw
still
that.
not great, but it's better than nothing. What sauce have you got in your car? What's yours?
Mine's an Evolve tune, 750 horsepower, same as yours. It's just BMW horsepower is just a bit more. Anyway, Sam, how you feeling?
Well, let's have one more go, and I'm going to launch correctly as well. Okay? How's that?
I'm in a BMW, I'm gonna have to drive all the way up the run.
Well, just get it done now. I'll be back waiting for you.
Yanni doesn't want it because he knows I'm going to launch the same way. I'm not letting go of this.
A few minutes later.
Rather than do the whole money thing for this bet, let's have it that the loser
Between Yanni and Sam.
has to, for the following races and challenges, have their driving seat in my driving position.
And we all know that I am short and I sit too close to the wheel.
So for the rest of the video, whoever loses between you two, I will come into your car, sit at your driving position, and you'll have to have it like that for the rest of the video, okay?
Okay, but Sam's shorter than me, but okay, that's still fine.
Didn't you say I sit really far back, though? Remember that last day? So I think it'll balance out, won't it?
You do, you sit quite far back like racing driver thing, and I will set it in a position that I deem appropriate regardless, okay?
Why would you cut to him? That's not right.
1.
I told you he was gonna launch.
I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
Oh, that Mercedes got a good launch.
Launch is dead on this, man.
What the fuck? Were you just pretending the whole time?
No, I don't think it was. He caught up to me.
Yeah, but I mean like off the
I
line.
just set up Yanni's driving position.
Your launch is important. You see? It changes the results.
Stewards, can we check if he jumped, please?
Can confirm there was no jump. There was no jump.
See, that's what I'm saying. Like, what the fuck? Were you
Well, there you go,
second on
Yanni.
purpose?
Unfortunately, you lost, which means I'm going to need to reset your driving position. But before I do that, let's do the thing. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the BMW won. It completed the standing quarter mile with a time of 10.5 seconds. The Mercedes took 10.8 seconds to do the quarter mile. The Audi was just behind with a time of 10.9 seconds. Right, now we're going to the rolling race, but before we do that, let me reset Yanni's driving position.
Oh my God, look at this idiot as well.
Like a little Irish leprechaun. Right. So, Sam, you're used to me in my driving position
Yeah, go
because
ahead.
you instruct me, so let's just make sure it's fair.
Absolutely right, yeah.
So, I like to be quite close.
Very close. It's safer. Because there's got to be a bend in your legs and your elbows. Remember we discussed that?
Yeah, so
Did your legs?
that feels about right.
The backrest, you normally have it higher because your helmet, don't you? So that's about right.
I feel really comfy, actually.
Yeah, it looks comfy. That's a good position.
The whole rest of the video, the entire video. Well, actually, let's get the lumbar support in as well.
Yeah, get some of that in because you need that because the lateral support is important.
Yeah, let's get all that. Like,
Yeah.
that's there as well. Come on, I want to watch this. Come on. We might need to push him in there. Come on.
That's so uncomfortable.
There it is. There it is.
No, wait, I want to see some more.
Put your belt on, Yanni. Safety first. You do not want that airbag to go off.
What's going on?
It's on his belly button, dog.
Right, you can't move it. It's he looks really uncomfortable. You look good.
Perfect driving position. Look at my arms.
Right, is everyone sitting comfortably? We're going to do a rolling race, 50 miles an hour, cars in comfort mode, automatic mode. Let's see what happens.
Yanni, come on.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, hello.
Come on, in my new driving position.
I think your response was slightly quicker then, Jan, when you're closer to the wheel. Hey, that's where you've been going wrong all these years.
Yeah, exactly, mate. Exactly where I've been going. Yeah, exactly, mate.
Are you putting the window down because you're sweating?
It's hot in here, man. It's hot.
Sam, it was a loss for you, wasn't it? But you still feel like you're winning, right?
Yeah, I'm winning in every way but on track, which is standard for me anyway. This had a really slow, lethargic kickdown. It'll be interesting to see how it does in the manual race, because you didn't gap me, but the launch, just off the kickdown, you both beat me.
Well, let's do that right now then. Okay, so now we're going to do the rolling race again, 50 miles an hour, over the half mile. This time, though, sportier settings and manual mode, third gear roll on. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that RS6 shot off. Woo-hoo-hoo. In fact, I'm losing. Well, coming back, but will I come back enough?
Oh!
Ooh, that was interesting.
That is where you see the wrench source, mate. That's where it is, mid-range, real good.
I think I might have just picked you at the line.
You might have, but the car's finally turned up.
Finally. How about you, Sam? What have you got to say for yourself? I mean, it shot off pretty well.
No, to be fair, Yanni's shot off a little bit ahead of mine, and then there was like, I don't know, 200 yards where it was just gapping me, and then it leveled out. So you're right, it's that mid-range, Jan, that's just got lots of power.
Yeah, this thing, like, the response wasn't great, but...
It's going to be really...
Which car will stop in the shortest distance? And is Yanni too close to the steering wheel? We're going to find out.
Fuck.
This one, then the Audi, and then the Mercedes, which is basically what has happened in every other event.
Except for the one that mattered where I lost with my seat. Unbelievable.
What's it like in that position? Is it horrendous? Was it hard to do the brake test?
To be fair, it's not that bad, but yeah, I feel very close to this steering wheel. I'm very conscious of the fact that steering wheel and windscreens are very close.
Sam, it wouldn't be a car wow drag race video if we didn't have some excuses from you. So what are your final excuses for the day?
The bunny ears, there is an extra spoiler on the back of this, which is creating a lot of drag, so that's one hindrance. And I think I was on the bumpy side of the surface for braking, but that's it. I'll take that, that's fine.
Perfect excuses. I think they're all completely invalid. Anyway, if you're after a high-performance car and you want to spend a little bit less than one of the...
Yeah, there was Carwow, 750 horsepower BMW M5 competition versus, wow, the AMG did very bad. It really did bad.
Exactly, which I did not get because it has more horses but I guess, hey man, it's in the science of it at the end of the day. The M5 is just, man, it's just running laps around these cars. It's just a better car at this point. It just is. Yeah. Anyway, please like, subscribe, and suggest any other videos you'd like us to react to. We'll shout you out in the description and check all the other videos that we have. Otherwise, see you on the next one.